G and Zimetra.
Today we'll be making a colorful bracelet using rubber bands. And if you use different color combinations, they give different looks. So you can make 7 bracelets and change daily for the week or wear them according to your mood on the day. Also, you can customize some for your friends as a gift. And most importantly, they are easy to make. And if you like them, don't forget to share this video with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. First, we need to make a loom to hold the rubber bands. Grab 2 pencils and an eraser and use a tape to secure them together. Then use the paper clip to make a hook. I actually didn't use the hook but using my hands only, so it is optional for you to make the hook. But if you found it easier for you to use a hook when making the bracelet, please go ahead and do so. For my wrist, I need 14 yellow bands and 14 blue bands. Also, we need a S-hook clasp for holding the bracelet together at the end. Or you can use a C-hook clasp. Put a yellow band into an infinity shape like this, followed by a blue band. Then pull the yellow bands over the blue band. Put yellow band again, and this time pull blue band over the yellow band. Alternately, put yellow and blue bands in and pull the bottom band over the top band. And you can see the bracelet starts to form a shape. This bracelet doesn't take much time to make. It takes me less than 5 minutes, so it makes a very good last-minute gift. After you have put the second last band up, use the S-hook clasp and secure the 2 ends. I actually think it would be more easier to use a C-hook than an S-hook, at least for the C-hook clasp, the bands can slide in more easily. Or is it just because I'm too clumsy? But I do feel like that the S-hook secures better than a C-hook, so mix your choice of which one you want to use. This bracelet is good if you wear light color clothes like white color, so it adds a bit of funkiness. I also make one with white and pale pink, which can balance off dark colored clothes. Using the bands, you can also make other bracelets as well. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and share this video out. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye!